Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the app that holds the presentation. Tap and hold the PPT file now to open the context menu. This reveals Rename in most apps. If you're inside PowerPoint, open Recent or Open and find the file, then tap the three dots or file icon. Once done, check whether the file is local or in cloud storage because the rename action may differ slightly. Make sure you have right permission or the option won't appear. Tap Rename and place the cursor in the file name field. Delete or modify the current name and type the new descriptive title. Make sure to keep the PPTX extension if it's visible. Removing it can change file behavior. If the file is in Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, use the app's rename function so it updates across devices. Once you finish typing, confirm with Save or Done. The app will usually update the display immediately. Open the presentation to verify the new name appears and the slides load correctly. This confirms you didn't accidentally change the file type. If you renamed in cloud storage, refresh the folder or force a sync so other devices see the update. If the rename fails due to permissions or an error, copy or export the presentation under a new name into a writable folder. Then delete the original only after confirming the copy works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.